We are in the last month of the year. Can you believe it? And I am setting up my last budget overview for the month of December 2023. If that is something that you're here for, then just stay tuned. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am so glad that you're back, and just want to do a little temperature check. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the like button, give this video a like, and then also make sure that you click the notification bell so that you know every time that I do upload a new video. So, can you guys believe it? We are in the last month of the year. I'm excited about it. I'm having a great December, let me tell you. But I am definitely excited about what is to come. And so I am going to be setting up the last month of the year, 2023. I'm going to be setting up my budget. Well, not the budget, but the overview of the month, where I basically just put down here my bills that I have and then the paydays that I'll be getting paid. I set up my goals for the month, and then I also set up my no spend for the month as well. So let's go ahead and just dive in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the spread, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty. So let's go over our month. The beginning of the month, I have already paid these bills with my last paycheck in the month of December. I'm sorry, in the month of November. And my first paycheck will be on December the 8th. And my second paycheck will be on December the 22nd. So December the 8th, I will be paying my Capital One bill, even though the Capital One bill is already paid in the debt, but I'll be paying my Capital One bill. I'll be paying my tax bill, life insurance, personal loan, car insurance, which is actually $140. I'm just gonna put $147 because it's $146 something, and then Hulu for $299. And then this will be my YouTube paycheck. So this paycheck here is my this is from my full-time employment. This is from my full-time employment. This is my YouTube, and this is my personal products. So on the 21st, I'll get paid again from YouTube, and then I will get my full-time paycheck on the 22nd, and then I will pay myself on the 26th of December. And with this paycheck here, I will be paying my 24-hour fitness bill, my solar bill, my gas bill, court bill, Apple, Netflix, and then it will go into the first week of 2024 and those bills. So this is my overview. And here, important for this month is to set up everything for the beginning of set up everything for 2024. So I'll be updating my bill tracker. I'll be setting up my 2024 budget book. I will be expense tracking. I will be setting up my sinking funds for 2024, and then whatever saving challenges I'll be doing in 2024. So it's going to be a lot of prep for that. And so this is my overview. If you are new here, I do not budget for the entire month. I just complete my overview because I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. So now I am gonna flip over to my goals and to-do list, which is kind of like here, but I am going to complete this and then we'll come back and discuss. All right, so my goals for the month of December is to make a minimum of $5,000 for the month. Expense track, make sure that I am tracking my expenses, follow my budget, and then to enjoy the holidays. I will say that I'm actually not, as of now, I am not going to be doing a no spend challenge in the month of December. I just gotta be honest, like November, it was bad. It wasn't bad in terms of me making money, but it was bad in terms of me spending money and really following the no spend challenge. I mean, I can probably do no spending because I thought about maybe like during the week if I don't spend any money and I only spend money on the weekends. But then I was like, well, Christmas is not on the week. Well, yeah, I was like, Christmas is not on the weekend. And I do know that I have some holiday parties that I have to attend. So those are during the week. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to start fresh in January. I'm just not even going to hold you because, yes, December, I am enjoying myself in reason. I'm not just out there spending my bill money and money I don't have, you know, things like that. No, I'm not saying that. But if I want to go out to eat, I want to go out to eat. If I want to buy something, I'm going to buy it. I have spent the last, how many ever months it's been, I think it was since April. I did take a look back. One of these videos, I am going to look over my entire year where I'm going to go back in the budget book and kind of see how far I've come. But basically since April, I have spent time really getting my budget back together, paying all of my past due bills and all these good things. Even on my birthday, like I didn't spend no money. My daughter's birthday, I barely spent any money. I don't think I bought her anything, as a matter of fact. But anyway, so I feel like it's okay for me to enjoy the holidays and spend money. Like I said, within reason. I'm not going to be out there living my best life and in January just be like, oh my God, what did I do? Not like that in that sense. Anyway, I thank you guys so much. My spread is not spreading in December. Let me tell you, I know my spread is not cute like, you know, all the other months, but it's okay. And I do want to buy some more stickers. So that's another reason why I'm not doing a no spend, because I need to really buy the things that's going to set me up for the new year. And so I do want to get some new stickers to where it's going to make my spread look nice and cute and aesthetically pleasing and all that good stuff. So we're skipping the no spend for December, but best believe we are picking it back up in January, 100% sure. So if you have not gotten your debt-free journey workbook, make sure you get that. If you have not gotten the no spend challenge, make sure you get that too, because we're starting that all back up in January. I hope that this was helpful. I know it wasn't as deep as it usually is, but it's the holidays, and I personally am enjoying the holidays. So I know for some of the besties, you guys are not, but for this holiday, yeah. My best friend's mom passed last year, and she's gonna be spending the holidays with me, and so I want to make it as fun as possible for her, because anyone who has, you know, lost a parent or a loved one during the holidays is a very tough time. So I'm really trying to, I know I can't take it off of her, or, you know, I know she's going to continue to think about it, but as much as I can draw her away from the thought as possible, like during this time, that's my goal to do. I am gonna cook. I'm gonna cook on Christmas, like a big breakfast. I'm gonna cook a big breakfast. I'm also gonna cook dinner, but we're gonna go out and see. We're gonna go out and see The Color Purple on that day, on Christmas. So, and then Christmas Eve, I gotta get all these like Secret Santa gifts, like these things I'm a part of at my job and with my family, and you know, I'm kind of just like, okay, you know what, January, I'm coming for you. That's it, because I'm gonna keep on talking and I don't want to. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this conversation. Let's keep the conversation going. So what do you plan to do in December? Are you gonna be on a no spend? Are you gonna enjoy the holidays? Are you buying gifts? Are you not buying gifts? I'm buying gifts. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I am, and it'll all make sense next month. I just can't wait to tell y'all. But anyway, okay guys, closing the budget book. So I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.